Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to open BIOS in HP laptop. So let's follow the video. If you have a HP laptop or desktop, you just need to reboot first. Here we are rebooting. So while reboot, we have to press a key from your keyboard F2. So that key we have to press continuously while reboot. So now we are starting. Okay, so this will take some time depend on your laptop or desktop speed. Keep on pressing the button. So after that it will show a option left bottom corner. Now you can see left bottom corner, this option is showing, that means it is going to BIOS mode now. It is totally depend on your laptop speed. So as you can see, now it is asking us to select the language. So we have selected our language as English. Then you will see all these options. So one by one you can see all these options are very important. You can check these options if you want to check system info or any other thing. You can check all these things one by one: memory, storage, battery. All those options are available here. So maybe you are thinking that where is the boot menu and all. So just click on exit. So you will come out of this menu. So click on yes and then you will come here. So here also we have so many important options. So over here we have to select the BIOS setup option, this one, and other options are very important. We have a separate video on our channel about this setup, so you can watch those videos also. All these options are very important. If you select the first option, you will go back to that previous option. So we are coming back to that current option. So we are here now. So all these options are very important. This video is all about how to open the BIOS. We are not explaining all these options one by one. If you are not sure about any option, don't use that. Or if you have any doubt or query, you can comment below. We will definitely reply to your comment, and we will help you. And don't take risk, don't do unwanted changes in the BIOS, because this will be a very problematic after saving the BIOS settings. So if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if someone need help, you should share this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.